We live in a world full of noise, full of life, cars humming and honking, people talking to each other, birds chirping, kids laughing and playing, adults yelling at football games and bantering about politics. We're greeted with jingles and alerts on Facebook and texts. Television and radio provide us with the sound of entertainment. We experience all of this loudness every day. But there's one sound that we tend to overlook. Silence. It's a sound that's hidden from us until the moment it arrives, where the ambiance is suspended and we find ourselves isolated. How appropriate that there is an chamber in Minnesota that has been titled the world's quietest room. The chamber's background noise has been measured to be negative 9.4 decibels. While the human ear cannot detect noise beyond 0 dB, making the room completely soundproof. The longest anyone has withstood the room is 45 minutes. Think that's an easy record to break? Think again. Those who have attempted to withstand the isolation in this dark, echoless room have claimed that within minutes that you could hear your blood pumping through your body. Your breathing becomes louder, your heartbeat becomes amplified. After 6 minutes, your own thoughts seem to become audible. Soon, certain participants begin to hallucinate after only 15 to 20 minutes. They would see objects that weren't really there. They would develop the feeling of being watched by malevolent beings. They would see faces staring at them from the corners of the chamber. Lab workers now supervise the chamber's exit because the intensity of the silence has just caused a few visitors to temporarily lose their sense of balance and their ability to walk, which led the ability to escape. If none of this intimidates you, though it definitely should, and you have money to spend, feel free to book a flight to Minneapolis, take a taxi from St. Paul International Airport to Orfield Laboratories. You might get lucky and set a new Guinness World Record, or you might fall short and experience the same unsettling sensations as the participants before you. Either way, once you leave the room, you will be forever thankful you live in a world full of noise, and you will never hear silence the same way again. Hey everybody, it's Otaku Crow. I wanted to make this video because it's Halloween that's coming around, and of course, a lot of people are going to be doing scary videos and everything, but I actually want to keep doing creepypastas on here because I've always loved creepypastas, and they're awesome. Just the right amount of the spooks, just the right amount of the spoopiness. Well, I was just watching a Stephen King marathon, and I just had the idea to, hey, why don't I do a creepypasta? This is one of my favorite creepypastas, especially because it's real. You actually can go to Minneapolis and see this. If I stutter during this recording, it's because I'm eating an ice cream right now. Well, that's basically it, and tell me if you guys like it. Peace.